going to do his dance. He got all dressed up. He even wore his tuxedo. Here we go. Let's check it out. He's doing good. Come on, let's give Chuck a well-deserved round of applause. Give it up for him. Woo. All right, Chuck's going to go down into the box. Duck, duck. He's going to get worse. All right, Richard, watch close. We're going to spin around the box. We're not going to go too fast. We don't want to make him dizzy. Check this out, Richard. We have one. Ooh, there it is. And Richard, that would be number 2. Perfect, Richard. And Richard, this is number 3. And Chuck is gone. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Richard, you've been holding that bucket the whole time. No one's come near you, have they? Check it out. Chuck is back. Come on, give a big round of applause. And let's give Richard a big round of applause. Give it up for Richard.